Hello, this is Dr. Mercy, and today we would like to have a close look at Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is located where? It's located in the heart of Southern Africa, a nation with many resources. English poet Rudyard Kipling described it as a land washed by the sun. Former British colony, no blacks were allowed to own land by the British, and Zimbabwe became independent in 1980. Minerals. It has vast deposits of gold, chromite, lithium, rich farmland, and cattle grazing land. How about the people of Zimbabwe? The people of Zimbabwe are hardworking, peace-loving, humane, civilized. They show civility. They are kind, honest, loyal, unassuming. They have high perseverance, advanced spirituality. They are faith-based. They are pragmatic, and they are great human beings who are proud to be Zimbabweans. How about the Victoria Falls? This was named by Rhodes in the 1800s when he visited this land we now call Zimbabwe. Obviously, it had its own native name, but Rhodes called it after Queen Victoria. And tourists visit to see the Victoria Falls. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Victoria Falls is a mighty waterfall, twice the size of the Niagara Falls in the US and Canada. These are the ruins of the ancient African civilizations, which Zimbabwe means a house made of stone. Did you know Zimbabwe has unique people, unique resources, and unique glorious past that every person of African origin ought to know? Zimbabwe, this is the place from the earliest humans who were found to be walking on earth, who were there on earth before and during the Stone Age. It was a mighty VaRozvi Kingdom ruled by the Rozvi for hundreds of years. So it was VaRozvi instead of calling ourselves Zimbos. VaRozvi Kingdom was violated by the British Cecil Rhodes because of VaRozvi minerals. Sanctions from the 1800s have been imposed on VaRozvi land, which is Zimbabwe, and up to this date, Zimbabwe is suffering from sanctions. President Obama and the UK and the EU, please lift those sanctions which have been perpetrated since the 1800s when it was VaRozvi Kingdom. To this date, Zimbabwe is suffering from economic sanctions. Please lift those sanctions to help the people of peace-loving people of Zimbabwe. Thank you.